I see them drinking a six-pack. They all think they're cool. Everyone just calls them druggies. Everyone just calls them druggies. Everyone just calls them druggies. Can't you see the druggies? They're just hardcore druggies. Now they're drinking in a bar. They never think of all the problems they have. Everyone just calls them druggies. Everyone just calls them druggies. Can't you see the druggies? They're just hardcore druggies.
Here's the problem about alcohol. It's bad, you'll get liver disease. Your breath will stink, you'll need Febreze. Keep your liquor, I'd rather just eat a Snicker. My reaction will be that much quicker. You might want to have an awesome time, or you might just be committing a crime. You'd be underage and totally drinking. People that drink have lower inhibitions.
You know you should stay away from this. If you use it, you'll be at risk. Instead of drinking silly juice, just drink a brisk. If you drink too much, you might puke for days, end up in a hospital out of days. It would be impossible to go through a maze. You should stay away from the room. There are groups we have in gum, and you can see it that drinking is dumb.